An A safety researcher just revealed a shocking prediction: by 2030, only 5 job categories will remain relevant. Here's what Dr. Roman Yampolskiy says is coming. Dr. Roman Yampolskiy, a leading A safety researcher, claims rapid A advancement will eliminate most job categories by 2030. He argues that as A systems become increasingly capable, traditional employment structures will collapse. This isn't speculation, it's based on analyzing exponential A growth rates and workforce displacement trends across industries. According to Yampolskiy, only 5 job types will remain viable: I researchers and developers, ethicists and safety specialists, decision makers for high-stakes scenarios, and human collaboration specialists. These roles require uniquely human qualities it can't replicate yet. These roles and all other positions face automation within this time frame. The 2030 deadline represents a critical inflection point. Current AI models are doubling in capability every 18 months. If this acceleration continues, widespread workforce displacement becomes inevitable sooner than most predictions suggest. Yampolskiy emphasizes we need immediate policy changes and retraining programs to manage this transition responsibly. If Yampolskiy's analysis holds, upskilling is urgent. Focus on A literacy, creative thinking, and ethical frameworks. Consider prepare isn't in 2030 age today. This conversation toward pivoting toward AI-adjacent fields now rather than waiting. The time to prepare isn't in 2038 today. This prediction demands attention. Subscribe for daily AI developments like this video and comment. Which job do you think will